Alright, we are now going to talk about Sandra Gish, and there's actually two pieces to Sandra Gish, or two parts. We're going to break this down into two parts, and I think what we're going to do first is talk about the article that you read, which was posted on Blackboard. It's the I understand all of the words but miss the point, and it's the goal to detail, detail to goal strategies. So we're going to talk about that first, and then we're also going to then take the actual model, pull it out, and then talk about our application to how we can apply it to our work. So let's take the, my notes are right down in front of me, so that's why I'm looking down. Let's take her article and talk about the introduction first, okay? So she was saying that this whole experience came because Sandra's a real interpreter, true business, real live interpreter. So she goes to an event that is interpreted and asked the friend whether or not she enjoyed the presentation, and when I asked her for details, this is right from the article, I understood all the words, but I missed the point. Okay? So what she's saying was that her friend noticed that there were inappropriate pauses, connections, that how the information was grouped didn't make sense. So that's not to say that the interpreter didn't get every single date or every single number or even every single word. What she was saying was how the interpreter put it all together didn't make sense. And this got Sandra Gish to thinking, okay, maybe I need to start looking at, maybe we as interpreters need to start looking at our work in a different way rather than focusing on the form, taking it to different levels and starting to look at text analysis from form up, meaning, and meaning down. Okay, so this paper was actually presented at the Conference of Interpreter Trainers. It's an old article. It's from 1986. I don't even want to know how old you were in 1986, but it's still commonly used today, and I would even say that it's still very current in interpreting research.